Your brain has RAM and a hard drive. So does your phone. And when either of them slows down, the fix is the same. But almost nobody knows which problem they're actually solving. Welcome to Analogy Studio. Today, the two types of memory powering your devices and your brain, and why understanding the difference will change how you use both. Imagine a busy office, not a quiet one, a real one. Phones ringing, deadlines looming, someone's printer jamming down the hall. In this office sits a woman named Clara. She's an accountant, and right now it's tax season. Her desk is small, room for maybe 5 open folders at a time. That's it. But the 5 folders on her desk, she can flip to any page in a heartbeat. No standing up, no searching. Just reach and read. Now, behind Clara's chair sits a massive filing cabinet, floor to ceiling, 4 drawers deep. Inside it, every tax return, every receipt, every client letter she's handled in 15 years. Thousands of documents. But when she needs one, she has to stand up, pull open a drawer, thumb through the tabs, find the right folder, carry it back to her desk, and open it. 10 seconds, sometimes 30. Here's the thing. Clara's desk is fast but tiny. Her cabinet is huge but slow, and she can't work from the cabinet directly. She always has to bring the folder to the desk first. Your brain works exactly the same way. Short-term memory is Clara's desk. Fast, active, limited to roughly 7 items at once. Long-term memory is her cabinet. Vast, deep, but it takes a moment to retrieve things. Your phone? Identical. RAM is the desk. Storage is the cabinet. When Clara's desk is buried under 20 open folders, she can't find anything. She freezes. That's your phone lagging. Too many apps open. RAM overloaded. The desk is drowning. When her filing cabinet is stuffed so full that drawers won't close, she can't save anything new. That's the storage full notification on your phone. No room left in the archive. But here's what most people get wrong. When their phone slows down, they start deleting photos. They're emptying the cabinet. But the problem was the desk. Clara didn't need a bigger filing cabinet. She needed to close some folders. What Clara's office demonstrates is the difference between RAM and storage. The two types of memory in every computer, phone, and tablet you own. RAM, random access memory, is your active workspace. It's fast, blazingly fast, but temporary. The moment you close an app or shut down your phone, everything in RAM disappears. A typical smartphone today has 6 to 8 gigabytes of RAM. That's your desk. It holds whatever you're working on right now. Storage, SSD or flash memory, is your archive. It's permanent. Files stay even when the power is off, but slower to access. A typical phone has 128 to 256 gigabytes of storage. That's your cabinet. It holds every photo, app, video, and message you've ever saved. The key insight. RAM and storage don't substitute for each other. More storage won't make your phone faster, just like a bigger filing cabinet won't help Clara work quicker. And more RAM won't give you space for more photos, just like a bigger desk won't hold 15 years of tax returns. Phone slowness is almost always a desk problem, not a cabinet problem. Your RAM is overloaded, not your storage. Closing apps fixes lag. When your phone stutters, close background apps. You're clearing the desk, freeing up RAM for what you're actually doing. Deleting photos won't help. Deleting files fixes storage full. When you can't download a new app or take a photo, that's when you clear the cabinet. Delete old files, move photos to the cloud. Offload what you don't need on the device. Buying more storage won't speed up a slow phone. A 512 gigabyte phone with 4 gigabytes of RAM will still lag with 30 apps open. The desk is the bottleneck, not the cabinet. Understanding this one truth changes how you diagnose every slow device you'll ever own. Subscribe for more tech truths simplified